Good morning, class 6. Today we will be reading about scale and importance of distance and direction. What is the importance of distance and direction? On a map, if we want to find a direction, how will we find? For instance, if there is a place at a point whose location needed to be known, what information should we get? It should be helpful if we know how far is the way. For instance, the place is X, and from the point Y, how far it is. If we know it will be helpful for us. If I know on the map counting or scale how far it is, then at the original distance also it will be easier for us to know. Now, how that is working? That is working. Also, one more thing is that the cardinal directions, that is the place X is situated in which part, whether it is southeast, southwest, from Y, that will also help us. Now, scale. What is scale? Scale is that is shown on a map, is showing a large country on a small piece of paper, which is not easy and not possible to use scales. So, on a map, scales are shown on a particular distance, that is on the ground. For example, 1 unit is used for 100 units in the ground. If in map I am showing 1 unit, then originally it is 100 units. For example, if on map it is written 1 centimeter, then in original it will be more than 1 centimeter, it will be 100 kilometer. So how this relation of 1 meter of map representing 100 kilometer on ground is known as scale map on the scale. Thus, a scale is a ratio between the distance on a map and the corresponding true distance on the ground. There are 3 different types of scale: statement scale, graduated straight line, and representative fraction. What is statement scale? So these are the scales. Now we will know statement scale. What is statement scale? In this type of scale, the map distance are mentioned on the map in the form of statement. For example, 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer, or 1 centimeter equals to 10 kilometer, it will be written. That means on the map, which is shown as 1 centimeter, originally it is 10 kilometer. Next comes linear scale. So linear scale, as this one, second one is linear scale. Here it is also known as graphical scale. Here what happens, the map distance is shown through a straight line which is divided into lengths that represent the proportional distance on the ground. It is normally between 12 centimeter to 20 centimeter. The line is divided into parts, which is known as secondary divisions, and the linear scale is drawn at the the point of the portion of a map. Next is representative or numeral fraction. Here the scale is shown in fraction. The ratio is between the map distance and the ground distance is represented as fraction, where the numerator is 1 and the both the numerator and denominator are expressed in the same unit. 1 is to 25. You can see centimeter. That is not 25 centimeters. That is 2,050,000 centimeter. As it is centimeter, it is shown in this way. There are different signs which are used to read a map, and those are known as conventional signs and symbols. These signs and symbols have been used in maps of government, government by are governed by conventions, so they have been approved and accepted internationally, because international movement of people, for them it becomes easier if a map do have these signs and symbols. So it is kept that the symbol should be, the same symbol should be used in every country, so that the people from other country, while using the map, is able to know what the symbols are saying. So the meanings have to be same. So here you can see some conventional line: international, state, metal road, unmetal road, footpath, broad gauge, meter gauge, river, tank, well. These are the symbols which are same in every world's map, every world's country's map. Okay, the rest I will do in the next class. Thank you.